In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk Insights for reporting and analytics. First, let's get into the right place inside Zendesk. Start by logging into your Zendesk support dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel and find the analytics icon. It usually looks like a small chart or graph. Click that, and then inside the analytics section, select the button that says Take Me to Explore. This will open a new web page, which is your main analytics dashboard where all the reporting magic happens. When the Explore dashboard loads, you'll see a list of dashboards you can open. If you only want to view existing insights, go to the Dashboards area and choose one from the list. Give it a moment to reload, and then you'll see all the data and charts for that specific dashboard. At the top, you'll find filters you can use to narrow down what you're looking at. Common filters include time period, ticket group, assignee name, ticket brand, ticket channel, ticket form, submitter role, and requester organization name. Adjusting these lets you focus on a particular team, time range, or type of request. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll notice different tabs such as tickets, efficiency, assignee activity, agent updates, unsolved tickets, backlog, and SLAs. Each tab organizes your insights in a different way. For example, tickets gives you a general overview, while efficiency and assignee activity help you understand team performance and workload. Now, if you want to go beyond viewing and actually create your own report, return to the left-hand panel and click the Reports icon. Once you're in the Reports area, look to the top right corner and click New Report. The page will reload and show you a list of available data sets. These data sets represent different areas of your Zendesk data, like tickets or calls. Choose the data set you want to use, click it, and a drawer will slide open on the right side. There, select Start Report. Wait for the page to reload and you'll land in the report editor. Inside the editor, start by renaming your report so it's easy to recognize later. Click directly on the current name, which will usually say New Report, and type in a more descriptive title. On the left side of the editor, you'll see where you can choose and arrange your metrics, columns, rows, and explosions. Metrics are the numbers you want to measure, like ticket count or resolution time. Columns and rows define how that data is grouped, for example by date, agent, or channel. Explosions let you break out your data into more detailed segments when you need deeper insight. The center of the screen is your visual area. This is where you'll see your report take shape as charts or tables, updating as you change the settings. Along the top bar, you can add filters to narrow the scope of your report, just like you did on the dashboards. This is very useful when you want the same structure of a report, but only for a specific time frame or team. On the right-hand side, you'll find a few important tools. The visualization type icon lets you switch between different chart styles, such as bar charts, line charts, or tables, depending on what best represents your data. Chart configuration lets you fine-tune how the chart looks, including labels, colors, and axes. Result manipulation gives you options like sorting, ranking, or adding totals so you can highlight the most important information. Finally, the calculation section is where you can build custom formulas or derived metrics if you need more advanced analysis. After you're satisfied with how your report looks and the data it displays, don't forget to save your work. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. This makes sure your report is stored and can be accessed, shared, or edited again in the future. And that's how you use Zendesk Insights through Explore to view dashboards, customize filters, and build your own reports for deeper reporting and analytics.